This is the first cross-border electrified railway in Africa, connecting two of the most underdeveloped countries in the world. It will fast-track development in both countries as they get a new engine of growth. Ethiopia is a rapidly growing, landlocked African country. Its goal is to become a middle-income country by 2025. To reach this goal, Ethiopia is accelerating the pace of its industrialization. However, many parts and raw materials still need to be imported. As one of the smallest countries in Africa, Djibouti lacks natural resources, but it sits in a strategic location on the Red Sea. Djibouti port is one of the main pillars of the country's economy. Transport links between these two countries complement their resources and benefit them both. But the century-old railway was almost beyond repair. Road transport is slow and limited in capacity. Musa used to be a pilot. Now he runs a logistics company. Its main business is transporting cargo by truck between Djibouti and Ethiopia.
Because we send a lot of containers and equipment and cargo to Ethiopia. And now we are using by trailers, which the road between Ethiopia and Djibouti is very, very terribly rough, not very good.
The new railway will soon connect Djibouti port to Addis Ababa, capital of Ethiopia. Musa has been sending goods by road for years, but the opening of the new railway doesn't bother him. In fact, he's looking forward to it.
Because we have only maybe 20 trucks, 20 trailers we have. But these 20 trailers is not even enough for our Djibouti demand. So in Ethiopia, 90% we lease it, we rent it from other companies and send the shipment. But when the railway starts, it will be more improvement for our business. And we do all our business for Ethiopia by the railway. And that will give us more efficiency, short time to deliver, and also in improvement for our services.
The new international electrified railway has reduced transit time from Djibouti to Addis Ababa from 7 days to only 10 hours.
Bon, l'importance, comme je dis, c'est la même chose, hein, c'est pour répondre, hein, c'est pour répondre. Pourquoi les deux pays ont décidé, c'est l'Éthiopie. Comme vous voulez maintenant, comme vous savez, l'Éthiopie est en plein développement. L'Éthiopie est un pays qui a une croissance à deux chiffres. Il y a beaucoup d'activités et c'est pour aussi répondre à ces demandes-là croissantes en matière de transport terrestre. C'est pour compléter. Déjà, il y a les corridors routiers qui existent, c'est pour compléter ce corridor. Actuellement, ce corridor est très chargé, il y a à peu près 1000 camions par jour. Et comme l'ancien chemin de fer aussi a cessé de circuler, c'était une décision stratégique de prévoir et de lancer cette nouvelle ligne électrique. Normes standard international.
The Addis Ababa to Djibouti International Electrified Railway connects the hinterland with the coast. It will not only boost the economic development of both Ethiopia and Djibouti, it will also help integrate the economies of both countries with the rest of the world.